Okay, it looks like Elanna's got hiccups.
Her first real one. She is awake. Oh.
Oh, there they go. At least she's not crying. She's being a sport about it. Let's see. Oh, there they are. Oh, she's like, oh no, you're taping me.
How embarrassing. I didn't even do my hair
I
today.
know.
Haven't even done my hair.
She's kind of... Oh. Hey.
The whole body just is one big
Well,
hiccup.
I'll tell you what. If you're anything like your mom, anytime we make you laugh, you're just going to start hiccuping. And you won't be able to stop. Okay. Hopefully they'll go away eventually, right? Okay.